Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road. Today we're introducing one of our probably most popular products for 2020 to you guys. For those of you who haven't seen it, we released a video on these probably over a year ago, so we figured we'd bring it back to the top, show a new followers to our channel, one of our, again, most popular products, and that is going to be the 2019 and up Ram 3500 fog light replacement kit. Now, if you got one of these trucks with the kind of the fully loaded or the LED fog lights, pretty much Laramie and up, and actually some of you even the lower packages, it's an option as well. You got a thin LED style fog light. While it looks very cool, it is really not very bright and pretty much only good for neighborhoods, things like that. So for those of us who like to use our trucks in more unique situations, off the highway, all that stuff, we combined two different parts. We're using some stuff from Mopar as well as some parts from Baja Designs to produce our own kit, which is the Laramie Fog Light Conversion Kit. So anecdotally, these lights are extremely bright. I've run them on this Power Wagon that you see here. This truck I have used on a lot of hunting trips already, and going down dirt roads hours at a time, unmaintained roads. I can keep a 50-mile-an-hour pace in the middle of the pitch black night with no concerns on hitting animals, rocks, washouts, all that kind of stuff. These lights are extremely bright, and these are actually just the Baja Designs Sport lights. So it's not the Pros. The Pros aren't needed. There's not a kit available, and the main reason there's not going to be a kit available is actually due to Ram's turn assist. So if you haven't noticed, and you might not have because your factory fog lights are so dim, on these trucks with the LED lights, when you do start to turn the wheel left or you turn your left turn signal on, even when your fog lights are off, it will actually turn on that fog light. And what happens with the brighter lights is it can actually throw a flash. And so if this were a Pro light, you would basically be strobing oncoming drivers, and that is why this is not an option. Now, while I do mention these sport lights are extremely bright, those of you who want to use them on the highway, there is an option for you, and that is the Baja Designs SAE light. Now, the SAE light is a light that follows all of the SAE standards to allow it to be used on the highway, versus the sport package, which is going to be brighter and throw more general light. However, it's probably not advised to use those on well-traveled highways. Here in California, I would advise against it, and if you're going to use them on the highway, either use the SAE or stick with your factory headlights, which are actually pretty good on the 2019 and newer trucks. Now, as you'll also see, this does maintain all of your front end sensors. Again, we do use a combination of factory parts to get the job done. You're not going to lose any functionality. You're still going to actually maintain that turn assist function as well. If anyone has figured out a way to turn that off, please comment down below. We would absolutely appreciate it. We are working on a solution to turn it off. That way, when you do run these extremely bright lights, you're not seeing, you're not flashing oncoming traffic, things like that. But again, if that is a concern, order the SAE model. These are available in both clear and amber. A lot of people say that the amber cuts through fog and dust a little bit better. However, I say just pick whichever one you think looks cooler with the color of your truck. That's why on this Power Wagon we have the white, while on Cole's green truck we'd run the ambers because it accents that color so nicely. However, if you do want to go from amber to clear and back and forth, it is a simple lens swap. Use a 2.5mm hex driver and you can make the swap pretty easily. However, you cannot swap from the SAE to the sport lights. That is a complete light change, so just keep that in mind. And yeah, super cool, super simple product. The link is down below if you'd like to purchase it. Any questions, please comment down below, shoot us an email, give us a phone call. Again, there's gonna be more photos on our website. However, I don't think anything could sum up how a product's gonna turn out more than a video like this one. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one.